Galing ako ng Sadity Kitty. So, dito siya ginawa. It's formerly a hotel, pero apartment siya. So, meron siyang waxing office dun sa apartment niya. Now that I'm done, we're gonna explore. Tingnan natin tong area na to kasi hindi ko pa siya naiikutan. Push to exit. It's not cold today. Sa kanila, mainit na to, pero sa akin, okay lang siya. Wait, I'm gonna close my boots. It's still open. It's not closed. Crossing the street. I am lost. I don't know where I am. But let's get lost anyway. That's how you explore new places when you're lost. There are a lot of huge buildings here. I have no idea ano sila. It's a good day to explore Western New York. So I just finished with my waxing appointment. Now I'm just walking within the area because I've never been here. I don't know where I am. Oh, a train. Safe to pass. There's no train. Swan Street. There is Hilton Hotel. I don't know if you could see. The weather is really nice. It's not cold and it's not too hot. Buffalo Police. Buffalo Bisons. Gotta be a fan daw. If taga dito ka. No. I think dito nila ginaganap yung mga games, competitions. I'm not sure. Let's go. This is being renovated. It could be a church. There you go. You got me misunderstood, but at least I look this good. Oh, there's a game. Amherst, Buffalo, West Seneca, your smile, our inspiration. Dental advertisement. Maraming pulis dito. I think this is like part of the city na parang ang dami ko nakikitang Buffalo police with their police cars. It's always black here. Sa amin kasi roving lang siya. You rarely get to see police cars like staying in one place sa Lower West Side. More Bison ticket stores for viewing. Seeing an advertisement behind me. Buffalo's highest rooftop bar daw. Inom kaya tayo ngayon, isa lang. One glass. Let's see what they have. But I'm gonna have to figure out saan yung entrance niya. Saan kaya? Another route to the Peace Bridge. Going to Canada. And then I think this is a school. Erie Community College. Tignan natin anong tinda sa ano. Bray Miller Market. Mukhang fresh stuff.
Yeah, that's fine. Just touch base with Rebecca, okay? Yeah.
More bread.
Maybe like 4 slices.
Steaks. Salad. Fresh rib. Oh my god, this looks good. At the library. So on Saturday, it's open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I want to check it out. Because like, you know, we don't have these kinds of stuff in Philippines. I mean, we do have libraries, but they're not impressive. And they don't have good collections. You know what I'm talking about? The one in UN. So I bet this is like an upgrade. Much, much better. So let's see, okay? Wander with me. You see all those book posts behind. So I can see George Orwell, Harry Potter, of course, J.K. Rowling, Anne Frank, Margaret Atwood. This has been, you know, converted into a series. It's Bison Man. Oh, why is this banned? This is like a coming of age book. It's good. I don't know why they banned it though. Harper Lee, Kill a Mockingbird. You know, the classics. Washington entrance of the library. It's nice. Here, let's go inside. It's right in front of that Hilton Garden Hotel. I'm excited to see how it looks like inside. Can't go inside kasi meron akong pepper spray. So, let me find a place here where I could, you know, hide it. And then I'm gonna grab it like as soon as I'm out because I really wanna see their library inside. It looks good from here. I'm gonna hide it here in the bushes. Put it here. I hid it in the bushes. So I'll come back for it, no? Pagpa-uwi na ako. Pasok ko tayo sa loob kasi oh my god, it's starting to rain. Diyos ko, no? Pahamak na pepper spray. Hindi makapasok sa loob dahil sa pepper spray.
I know. Yeah.
Dito na tayo sa library. Bawal maingay. Kasi library. Oh, explore natin yung buong area kasi 2 floors siya. And I don't think ito yung malapit na branch sa akin. Kasi nung nag-apply ako, meron to dun sa Niagara. Di ko alam if naririnig to. But let's tone our volume down, okay? Just to be safe. Let's look around. So these are CDs. Classical music. You can also rent DVDs. Nostalgia. Nostalgia in a world of Netflix and Disney. You can still rent DVDs over here. I remember Video City from Philippines kasi di ba dun tayo nagre-rent ng books back then. So I think we're still in the middle. Let's look around.
I just want you to know we're gonna start the next week. Everything, everywhere, all at once at the auditorium.
You're gonna have a book fair?
It's not the book fair, the movie screening day for the everything, everywhere, all at the once.
Yeah.
The movies that won the Academy Awards, like a 22.
20 to 2. Is
Yeah,
this like a
yeah.
week event?
It's
It's just a one-day event.
one day event.
Oh, okay, okay.
For the celebrating Asian Pacific Islanders Month.
Ooh,
So
okay.
that will happen there next
It's our
week here.
okay. Yeah.
And then I think the people from APAPA, like organization for the Asian American,
They're gonna
be here
gonna be
too. So stick around, and you're enjoying the.
True, no, like I'm surprised. It's like in the world of Disney, Netflix. Oh my god, they
I
still have
know.
DVDs here.
Oh, yeah, because we don't have access to the Amazon Prime, Netflix series yet.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But
most
this is
of-
good. I'm glad we still have these.
Mhm.
Where are the books? So,
The
like,
books also
the second floor? How many
it's-
floors are these?
So we do have a fourth floor, but there's a hidden two between this.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, that's for the closed staff and not for
Okay.
the public. But everything for the public access is on this floor.
In this floor.
Yeah,
Okay. I see
and-
people going up and down the elevator.
Yeah, we do have the events upstairs for the gallery conference room.
Oh, okay.
Also, presidential center is also
Okay,
upstairs too.
presidential center.
And then every like adult items like non-fiction, fiction is the
I can
other
find them
side,
here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And the children's over here.
Children's section.
And the special collection and the local history is the other end.
The other end. Okay.
And the Mark Twain.
Mark Twain, yes.
Yeah, that's because we are famous for that, and he stayed only like less than 2 years here.
Yes, in
And then-
Buffalo.
yeah.
I think that's near Diouville. He has like an apartment over there. That's what
Yeah,
I've been
yeah.
hearing.
Yeah, so we have a
Okay.
right to.
Ooh. Can I come in here?
Yeah, sure, help yourself,
Alright,
but
yeah.
just let me know
Yep,
that.
I'll
that
definitely look
non-fiction-
around.
Yeah, fiction's
Thank
there.
you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Kuniko.
Koniko.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Jody.
Jody,
Okay, nice to meet you too. Thank you. Okay, let's go to the Mark Twain room. Okay. Di ba, famous author si Mark Twain? Ayan, pwede tayong magsalita ng normal. Kasi ako lang nandito ngayon sa Mark Twain room. Yung tinitiran ko kasing apartment, it's near Diouville University. So there's like an apartment there where Mark Twain stayed for almost 2 years. So he stayed in Buffalo. Kaya medyo sikat siya dito. A very known person. Okay, let's see. I can like switch the camera para makita nyo yung nandito. Ayan. Wow. These are the original manuscripts. Silent South. Mark Twain in Buffalo. Ano kayang mga books yung sinulat niya, no? Nandito siya. There you go. Mark Twain came to Buffalo August 1869 to be a co-editor of the Buffalo Express newspaper. Ooh. Okay. What else? Grabe. Iba yung ano nila dito. Magpapahalaga sa mga authors nila. Mapapasana all ka na lang. Ganito rin sila mag-preserve sa Pinas. Oh my God. The first edition of the novel Huckleberry Finn appeared in London, December 10, 1884. It preceded the American edition by more than 2 months. Okay. What else do we have here? Oh, paano to? Eto, ginawa na nilang digital. Kasi 'di ba nagiging tawag dito, brittle yung mga pages nila. So, in-scan nila yung manuscript. So, ganito siya sinulat ni Mark Twain. Wow. Wow, look at that. That's how you preserve a book. Amazing. And then, ano tong baul niya? Baul ba to? Ganito pala mga baul nung unang panahon. And this one. There you go, Buffalo Express. Buffalo Daily Times. Galing. And what are these? Ayan. So, ito yung same nung digital na kinapa natin kanina sa may touchscreen. Ang pangit pala ng sulat ni Mark Twain. Joke. Ayan. O, diba? Sulat ng doktor. Hindi ko mabasa. Leave me. Give me no mats. I ain't got no use for, hindi ko mabasa. There you go. James Fraser Gluck. Ooh, that's nice.
Central Library. Did you know we offer downloadable books and magazines? We also have streaming for movies and music albums, free with your library card. If you need a library card or want more information about library services, please see a staff member. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Okay, balik na tayo sa labas. Tingnan natin yung mga ibang catalogs nila.
I didn't get 20 feet to get somebody to talk me, you know, I walked away, they were sitting in the pool area, ran. I got him on civilian, people say that that's very important around the building. I told him they would come back to the building.
Vale. No menciono todo un vale ahí.
Vale mía, dijo él, vale mía.
No, esos son colombianos, es la forma de llevarlo ahí.
Y el campo no va a quedar nada. Y acá hay...
I wonder if yung mga uso ngayon, meron sila. No, hindi ako sure.
Only for yourself. I can hear you from there. Okay? Thank you.
Hindi ko kilala yung mga author. Hickman pala. Kala ko nakita ko ng Rick Riordan. Ancient Greece. fine art stuff. Also have civil service. And free computers that you could use for your research or homeworks. Let's check out the rare book room. Rare book? How rare? Bakit? Please protect our collection of food or drink. Ito. Let's see bakit siya rare. So, mga Van Dyck, Holding Hands, McHale, William Morris, Horace, Robert Lewis, Campbell Thomas, Brad Wade Richard, Trudeau Sarati. So these are signed fine bindings. Yung section ng artistic bindings. Oh, this is good. No wonder it's rare. Folio-sized bindings. And bindings by Jordan. Handbook binding. Ooh, you gotta see this. Handbound to. Labor of Love. Rare books section. Oh, Bible. Ang galing, no? Na-preserve talaga nila. Edgar Allan Poe, The Raven. There we go. Your favorite horror author. Pag mga mysterious, creepy stuff. Poesy bindings. The books pages. What are these? Vengeance will be mine. Binding. Mukha silang painting, no? Pero ano yan? Mga bindings ng book. Grosvenor Room. Galing siya sa newspaper. Tinikit nila dito. So, mga clipping siya. Buffalo Harbor. Tingnan nyo to. I like it. As someone who's interested in tarot. Recent acquisition, Mountain Dream Tarot by B. Nettles, 1975. Ngayon kasi dali nang mag-manufacture ng tarot cards. Ayan. Back then, not so much. Eerie Towns. Atlas and Folio. Tahan natin yung microfilm collections nila.
I don't know.
It's really great for the bank.
There's the other page. I'd like to put in another page actually with the because it's got the date.
Grabe yun, na-preserve talaga nila.
The dates, which is what's good.
Hindi tayo marunong gumamit niyan.
Yeah, I gotta move it up just a little bit.
If you wanna use some microfilms, ititikto ko to pag uwi. Hindi ako marunong mag-access ng microfilm. Ano ba ito nakalock? Microfilms for early American newspapers. I just don't know what to use. Tingnan natin anong meron sa taas. Conference rooms. It's collections gallery. Book meetings. Book studies. Conference rooms. Yung mga nandito. Look at that. Presidential Center.
Stage and you tell the same jokes, but everyone laughs. No one can remember.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how it works. Now, did I hear, is this here all the time? Or some of it's rotating?
So on the walls is permanent, the taller cases are permanent, the two middle clay cases are rotating. And
Abraham Lincoln.
we're dealing with Lincoln, Abraham
Okay.
Lincoln. And so every, what, 2 months?
Yeah, 2 to 3 months, those will change.
Okay.
And we're hoping to get more space to be able to have more changing exhibits because we have a storeroom full of materials, but
I'm sure.
not enough space to show everything.
Yeah.
Which is not a bad thing to have.
No, it's good, and it's nice to be able to kind of have different things, because it makes it all fresh or different.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then we can count on people like you who come and don't remember what they saw.
Right.
And so then you can
Yeah.
go, oh, wow, and
Yeah.
you say, yeah, that's new, and it's not.
Yeah.
An interesting thing is, some of the material in these two rotating exhibits about Lincoln were donated to us, shared with us by a young boy. Oh, he's not a young boy anymore, he's now a college junior. But he's been collecting things about the Civil War and
Really?
Lincoln since he was, what, 10?
Wow.
So actually, the 2 sets of glasses there are a mug from this young man.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's,
There was, I don't remember, there was a small museum there's this book out, it's called, Unknown Museums of New York or something like that. And it's, mostly smaller museums throughout the state, so we've been trying to go to a bunch of them. And there was one down, I think it was down near Bloomington, but they had a large collection of Lincoln photographs.
huh,
There
that
was-
sounds like a cool book.
Yeah, I never heard of that book.
Laney,
What?
what's the name of that museum book? The one that with all the upstate New York museums?
I think it's
Was it-
unknown museums of upstate New York, something
Yeah,
like that.
I think it was published at least about 10 years ago.
Okay.
Oh.
But-
10 or 12 years
So have you
ago.
been to the Disability Museum?
No, we didn't go there, and I wasn't sure if it was still open.
I think it closed just a few
Yeah.
years ago, and I've always
Yeah.
wanted to go.
I wanted to go there too, we never ended up going.
And the Steelworkers Museum, you've been to, right?
Well, I haven't been to it where it is now. I've been to it when it was like us. It was a room
Oh, at
in the library in Lackawanna.
Yeah, yeah.
But they have their own space as of several years ago, but I haven't.
Yeah, I don't know if that's the one at Lee Street, maybe, near off of South Park. That might,
That's-
might-
That
yeah.
sounds like it would be in that area.
But yeah, we haven't been, we've been meaning to go there too. We haven't been there.
And they're going to be opening the Black Jazz Musicians Club soon. Is that right?
Colored musicians.
Musicians Club soon.